welcome back to the JAV Geo Academy YouTube channel. So, welcome back to JAV Geo Academy YouTube channel. So, today this is Geochemistry lecture 3. So, today our topic is concept of isochron line. Okay. So, what is an isochron line? So, line connecting points of equal age is called isochron line. Line of equal age is known as isochron line. So, this is the equation of a line y is equal to mx plus c, and we have already derived the formula. The dotted element after time t is equal to dotted element which is present in the initial in its early stage when the rock is formed. The amount of dotted present is the t naught, and p is the concentration of parent nuclei after time t into e to the power lambda t minus 1. So on comparing both the equation, suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So comparing equation 1 and equation 2, we find that d naught, concentration of dotted nuclei, is equal to c, and d is equal to y, and m is equal to tan theta, which is equal to e to the power lambda t minus 1. This m represent this m e to the power lambda t minus 1. This d is equal to y, and this c is equal to d naught. This m is this, and x is equal to p. Okay. So we have to now we draw the lines, the isochron line. Okay. So we have already derived d p naught is equal to p to the power e to the power lambda t, and d is equal to p to the power lambda t minus 1. So here p naught will exponentially decrease with time because p naught is decreasing and d is increasing. So p naught will decrease and d will increase with time exponentially. So y equal to mx plus c is the equation of a line. So here m represents the slope, y represents the intercept. Okay. So the parent is decreasing. This is the parent. The parent is decreasing in this line, and the dotted is increasing in this curve. The parent is increasing in this curve, and the parent is decreasing in this curve, and dotted is increasing in this curve. So both the curve will intersect at this point, and the point of intersection is known as half line. Okay. So we know y is equal to d, x is equal to p, m is equal to slope is equal to lambda t minus 1, c is equal to d naught. So here I have drawn a graph. So in this graph, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have taken 6 points, and this is the graph, and this is the intercept. Okay. So this intercept represent y. Slope. This represent slope. Okay. This is the slope. M is the slope. So theta is the slope. Theta is the slope. This theta, and e to the power lambda t minus 1. So this is the slope. Now y is equal to d. So this is the what? Intercept. Y is equal to d, intercept, and it is the d naught, the concentration of dotted nuclei. Okay, and x is equal to p. X is equal this x axis represent concentration of parent nuclei after time t. So here this is the gate question. So here the data is given, the value of lambda 1.42 to 10 power minus 11, and tan theta is given, this slope is given, and he is asking about the time. So the formula is equal to lambda t minus 1 is equal to tan theta, e to the power lambda t is equal to tan theta plus 1, lambda t is equal to ln tan theta plus 1. Now we can calculate t from this equation, ln t into tan theta plus 1 divided by lambda. Just put the value and get the answer. Okay. So this is the another great question, numerical. Find the age of isochron line having theta with dotted nuclei is 30 degree and lambda is given. So we know the formula e to the power lambda t minus 1 is equal to tan theta. This is the slope. If this angle is 30 degree, this angle must be 60 degree, and this is the theta. This is the slope. Okay, this is the slope. So here tan 60 degree. The value of tan 60 degree is root 3, and a to the power lambda t equal to root 3 minus here plus 1, and lambda t equal to log root 3 plus 1, and here now you can calculate t log root 3 plus 1 divided by 1.42 into 10 to the power minus 11. So solve this equation and find you will get t. Now the answer will be how much? 1.09098 into 10 to the power 11 here. So you can solve okay, how to solve this t. So look, lambda t minus 1 will be equal to ln tan of 60 degree. Here ln tan 60 is equal to 1.7320, and so lambda t is equal to ln 1.7320 divided plus 1, and we have to calculate t, so divided by lambda, it implies t is equal to this much will be 1.5492 divided by the lambda is given 1.42 into 10 to the power minus 11, or t equal to 1.09098 into 10 to the power 11 here. Okay, so this is the end of the lecture. In the next class we will discuss the half-life and some numerical questions will be done. 10 questions of numerical, and we will move to the dating methods like rubidium, strontium, and rubidium, strontium, and other argon and argon method, samarium, neodymium method. So uranium, thorium, lead system, we will discuss all those things in my next class. So stay tuned with the channel and subscribe our channel. And if you have not joined our Google Meet, you can join there. I am taking live class, structural geology class I am taking there now. Thank you for your patience.